Are you searching for an Mbox file viewer to open your Mbox files? We have a solution for you with Systool's Mbox viewer. The tool provides you with multiple features option to view Mbox files. Tool comes with a user-friendly interface. In the home screen on the top left corner, you will find the Add File button. Click the button to add Mbox files. Here you can see the tool support multiple email application Mbox file. Choose Mbox file option. Then click next button below. Mark the use folder mode checkbox. Click on browse button to select Mbox. Browse Mbox file on your system. Click on the process button. Now you can see the folder will appear on the left side of the screen. Below you can see the mails of the selected folder starts loading. View the email details. Now click on the normal mail. View tab to see the email details like to from CC. Subject attachment body date and time and others. Now click on hex. View tab to see the email hexadecimal details. Click on the properties tab to see the email message properties. Click on the message header tab to see the email header properties. Click on MIME tab to view the MIME details. Click on HTML tab to view the email HTML properties. Click on RTF tab to view the email RTF properties. Click on Attachments tab to view the email attachments. This is the working of Systool's Mbox Viewer tool. For more such videos, subscribe to our channel. We keep posting review videos regularly. Thank you for watching. See you soon in the next one. Take care. Bye bye.